up, y'all? Welcome back to All Things Dunker. So, today we are going to be doing a cooking video. Well, I'm going to be doing a cooking video with Mr. Dunker! Okay, so if you guys want to see what we're cooking today, stay tuned. Okay guys, if y'all haven't subscribed already, I don't know what you're waiting on. Let's go ahead, take a moment, pause, press that button below. You can also press the bell to get notifications every time I drop a new, what they be saying, banger. You know, when I drop a new banger. Press the bell and comment, like, share, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. Okay. So, alright y'all, so today we have some salmon. This is cool because it doesn't have the skin on it. So we got some salmon, some broccoli florets. We're gonna do a kale salad. That's we have the onion, bell pepper, and onion. Some garlic, lime, seasoned salt. What you doing over here, boo?
Yeah, make the rice, baby.
Okay, so he's getting the water ready for the rice. See, I don't really make rice. So I never knew that you had to put seasoning in the water. That's a major key, okay? Seasoning in the water. And some oil. So what did you put in the water? This?
Just Italian seasoning.
Parts, okay. This?
Sea salt.
Sea salt, okay. All right, so I'm gonna let him prep this stuff. You're gonna see the whole process. Darian is my sous chef today.
Sweet.
And we're gonna get this going. If y'all see prepping our salmon first. Ooh, this water bubbling. Go ahead, season the salmon.
Okay.
Season.
With the boiling water.
Oh, okay, y'all. I'm dropping the rice in here. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna stir it. So we're gonna let that sit. All right, so get to your seasoning. What you got, boo? Show them what you got. What you got?
Salmon in this. Add a little bit of butter to the pot. Because I want to run the pot first. Okay. That's what we do here. Butter make it taste better.
Butter make it taste better. Like from DK gang.
Ain't no fucking good for you.
Okay, we putting a little butter in the pan. From wet night.
Now what you gonna do with your salmon is
squeeze a little lime juice, okay? Okay. I like that. They get that flavor. Y'all use lime? Let us know in the comments below.
got mac and cheese seasoning and salt.
You got a little sea salt action. Sprinkle the salt, okay? You don't need no high blood pressure. Just sprinkle a little salt. Nothing too much.
You're gonna come back with a little bit of lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. They go good on almost everything, huh?
Not too much.
Just a little bit. A little drizzle. Look at that. Beautiful. I should try to be pescatarian for a week.
That's on you.
All right, this our little Cajun. Everything we always cook this. I mean, we always use this seasoning whenever we're cooking. Tony Chachere's or Sachere's, however you say it. Creole seasoning.
Show them that.
You see? Yeah, you see.
So they can see.
Okay.
Then you want to get your little Italian grinder right here. You see that? That's for looks though.
Yeah. Okay, what am I gonna do? I said I was the head chef and you the sous, but now you the head chef.
Start the broccoli.
I look like the sous. Okay, I'm gonna start the broccoli, y'all.
Yeah, record everything.
Okay, wait, do this. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Take off. Take off, boo. Take off.
Like that.
Broccoli ain't important. All you gotta do with this broccoli
is put it in a big.
This thing ready to wash, okay? Don't show them days. But this thing ready to wash. Our broccoli is ready to wash, so I'm gonna just put it in the pot, and I'll show you the pot after I put it. Or not, getting hot.
I'm making.
You said the same time while I'm doing broccoli. What are you doing?
Crushing the garlic.
Oh, we're losing some pieces. Wait a minute. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Still good. Chef Boyardee. We only used about a half bag of broccoli, by the way. Okay, so let me get a spoon. Woo! One broccoli. We're gonna put. I should have put some in here, huh?
That broccoli. Just put.
Drizzle olive oil on top. Okay, we're gonna drizzle a little olive oil on top here. Drizzle. Okay. He getting the garlic going for the salmon. What you want to tell him what type of salmon we're making?
It's a surprise.
Okay, surprise. Y'all wait on it. Wait on it. What am I looking for? So we're gonna put a little sprinkle of salt. Hold on, we don't want to come out. There we go. And we'll do a little pepper. A little black pepper. Got it. Okay. You don't want to overcook the veggies. Maybe a little butter in here. Huh? It's about a tablespoon. So I'm gonna let this melt down and then I'll mix it up in a second. All right, back to you, boo.
Garlic butter me, I made. Yeah, hear me. Garlic.
Sugar wash, ready to enjoy. So it's very washed.
So with that, you want me to fry it first?
Want you to saute. Okay, we getting our organic kale greens. Okay, we're trying to eat a little cleaner today, so that's why we are incorporating all these nice green, beautiful veggies. Okay. Oh.
I done do it.
So this is done. I don't like salad, you know, like that. So what we're gonna do is saute this down first. So it'll be a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Softer, I guess. Softer. This broccoli is almost done. See, it's a lot more browner than before. And I'm really just doing this so it looks like I'm doing something, but you can let it sit there. Okay, back to the fish. Where you going, Chef? He left us, y'all, so we'll be back.
Alright, I guess this is sauteed over the kale.
So we got the next pan for the kale. It's hot. the broccoli. He's doing everything else.
No, she make some more things in a second. Let's try it again.
I'm okay with that. I'm not complaining. Sure. We gonna season a little bit of the other side. Let me just narrate for you. Let me talk to the people.
Talk to them.
Okay, so we got some lemon pepper. Okay. All right. We got some lemon pepper, some sea salt. I'm gonna turn my broccoli down because this is my job and this is what I'm proud of. The broccoli maker and the narrator. We have a little Italian herb seasoning. Okay. Back to the Creole. Okay. It's good on everything. So we putting it on our fish. Give me some of that to put on this broccoli. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Gotta get the kids to eat these veggies. Make it taste good. Okay. So we got the kale going. What you gonna do with this kale?
I'm going to wash it.
It says it's triple wash, but due to coronavirus, due to COVID-19, we'll be washing it again. So it will now be quadruple washed. Because we ain't got time. Ain't that right?
Yeah, you see?
We enough time.
You see?
We ain't got time.
No time, you see?
So you see how it's a little more softer, green. I like that. Why you don't put some in the pan? Some olive oil or something. I don't know. You the chef, not me. Okay, we're about to flip this fish. Hey, y'all. Okay, our broccoli is basically done. I'm gonna try one. Is it hot? Woo! It's hot. Wait. Ouch!
Sorry.
Okay. Oh yeah. I like a little crunch. Y'all, it's hot. A little crunch, but still soft. What you doing? Don't be all in my face now, look.
Yeah, you see, it's like a plant, you see. Doing right. The daddy come to take over the show still. Teach I and I them how to make some teriyaki sauce still on it. She easy though, she easy. One thing in here. Soy sauce. Join. And some money. That's it. That one done.
That one over. Spin it.
See what you want, do it. Heat up your pot, you see.
Hi,
Tilly.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say I'm taking a bath now.
Bath now.
See you later.
Red.
All right. Okay, y'all, so we are done. I mean, I ain't really do too much, but you know, that's because he love me. You love me, right?
Love you, baby.
Okay. Oh. All right. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next video, and I'm about to eat, so it's time for me to go. Bye, y'all.